Hello everyone, let's take a look at this LeetCode problem, maximum average pass ratio. So this problem is a third problem in the context, and this context, like this week, it's not a very hard context. Okay, let's take a look. So the problem just as the following is, if you haven't read it, you can take some time to read it. So the problem here is we need to make the maximum average ratio. And how can we make it? Let's take this example. So for the first student, like which classes we should assign to? Of course, we should assign the brilliant student to a class so that we can maximize the average score. Okay, if we assign student to the first class, like we can get additional like 0.1666. If we assign to the second class, we can get 0.0666. If we assign it to third class, we can get nothing. So it's pretty graded approach. We should assign the first students to class 1 so that we can get the maximum increase from it. Okay. So we can use priority queue here. We can compare them by the increased value, right? So this is the solution. This is our compare function. Like this is an original pass ratio. And if we assign the student to him, and this is a new pass ratio. And this is increase, new minus original. So we need a maximum heap here, so that we can place the maximum increase class in the top, and every time we will pick the maximum increased class. Okay, then we have a priority queue here, and we need to push every class into this priority queue. Note here, we pass by the pair instead of the vector of integer. Since the overhead of vector integer is pretty large, so we will get TLE here if we push vector into our priority queue. So we need to push a pair into our priority queue. Okay, let's use this example. First, we have 3 classes and actual students is 2. So we push the 3 classes into our priority queue. Next, we need to iterate those actual students. We need to assign them one by one to each class. So at first, we get 1, 2, since 1, 2 will be the top element in our priority queue since it has the maximum increase. Next, I assign this brilliant student to this class. So 1, 2 becomes 2, 3, and I push it back to our queue. Okay, in next iteration, we pick the element that at the top, it's 2, 3, which has the maximum increase if we assign the students to this class. Then we increase 2, 3, so it becomes 3, 2, and we push it back. Okay, now the iteration finished, we can collect this score, the pass ratio. Okay, so sum is like 3 divided by 5 plus 2 divided by 2 plus 3 divided by 4. And the average pass ratio is sum divided by the number of classes, which is 3 in this example. Okay, that's it. So the core idea here is we need to use graded approach to assign each brilliant student. And in order to make the approach faster, we can use priority queue here. Thanks. See you next time.